everyone. Today we are going to practice describing a picture for Sproochentest, and the picture is this one. So in this picture we can talk about many things. So we start with what these people are doing, and then we will describe the outfit and appearance of some of these people. Then we will talk about what is there in front of them, what is there in the background, and then I think this is enough for this picture. So let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about what these people are doing. We can say op de foto gezien is een groep van vrienden am besch. In this photo, I see a group of friends in forest. Etki 6 light. There are 6 people. Sie gucken all glücklich. They all look happy. Sie sitzen Boden. They are sitting on the ground. Wahrscheinlich machen sie a picnic am Beach. Probably they are making picnic in the forest. And now let's describe what is this person in the middle doing. So we say, it geht een man aan de mat. There's a man in the middle. Hier hoort een greng a weiß karriert him an. He is wearing a green and white checkered shirt. He speelt guitar. He is playing guitar. Hier hoort lang zwart haar. He is having long black hair. Then we can talk about what is about this girl on the right side. Op the rechte side, on the right side, as een vrouw. There is a girl. Sie hoort a weiß pullover on. She is wearing a white sweater. Sie hoort jeansbox on. She is wearing jeans. Sie hoort rood krullen haar. She has red curly hair. Sie guckt op the man these guitar speelt. She is looking at the man who is playing guitar. Next, we talk about this girl here. Near him as een andere vrouw. Near to this girl is another woman. Sie hoort lang blond haar. She has long blonde hair. Sie hoort een geel oder mustard of farbiges jacket on. She is wearing a mustard colored jacket. Sie lacht. She is smiling. Iedereen guckt op de man. Everyone is looking at the man who is playing guitar, speelt guitar on the mat. Iedereen guckt op de man, speelt guitar on the mat. Then on the left side, op de linkse side as een vrouw is a girl. She hoort a grauw kapdekkel on. She is wearing grey head cover. She hoort a white hem. She is wearing a white shirt and een grauw jacket on and a grey jacket. She hoort een zwart box on. She is wearing a black pant. Then we talk about what is there in front of them, what is there on this mat, and describe them. Wherein these light in front of these people, stin, feel, lach, isen zaken. In front of these people are many eating items. Isen is to eat. Isen zaken is eating item. Op enger mat on a mat. Mat as rood and weiß kariert. The mat is white and red checkered. It get ananas on the mat. There's a pineapple in the middle. It get ook beer flashen. There are also beer bottles. It get overall green grass. Everywhere there are green grasses. Hanneground gezien is veel beam. In the background I see many trees. And then finally we talk about what they are wearing, what is the weather like. Iedereen hoort zomerkleder on. Everybody is wearing summer clothes. It gezegd aus wij van het zomer oder vreejoor as. It looks like when it is summer or spring. Weather as sein and hell. The weather is nice and bright. So yeah, voila, das ist alles, was ich auf der Foto beschreiben. Voila, this is all that I can describe in this picture. And that's all. So thank you, and contact us if you need more materials. Bye.